About me, Eric Kisbe, Continental University State. Introduction. Hello, everyone. My name is Eric Hernan Kisbe Pilco. I am 25 years old and I am from Peru. I study law at Continental University. I am a friendly and responsible person. My family. My father name is Hernan and is my mother name is Maria. They are keen and hardworking. I have go friends who are always supportive. My routine and hobbies. I usually get up at 6:30 a.m. and go to university until the afternoon. In the evening, I do homework or read about law. I have a laptop and a smartphone for my studies. I like listening to music and playing football. I don't like waking up early on Sunday. Question and closing. Where do you study? I study at Continental University. Do you like sport? Yes, I do. What What's all about me? Thank you for listening. Gracias.